Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change file and folders icon. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For changing your folders icon, first of all, you have to select your folder and click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see properties. Click on it. Now click on Customize, and here you can see Change Icon. Click on it. Now you can see here a list of icons. You can choose whatever you want. After choosing your icon, you have to press on OK. Then click on Apply and OK. So this is how you can change file and folder icons in laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.